In this section of the media resource, we're going to focus on the iOS video conferencing on HQ Router 1. We are going to configure, you are required to configure and register R1, or which is the HQ router, as an iOS video conference bridge for CUC HQ CUCM cluster. HQ Phone 2 should be able to invoke this conference bridge for three-way video conferencing using H.264 codec. After you properly register and provisioning the routing for Site C Phone 2 to make sure the verify Site HQ Phone 2 can host a video conferencing with PSTN phone and Site C Phone 2. Now from HQ Phone 2, first place a call to PSTN line 1 and then conference Site C Phone 2. Now in order to configure this, the first thing we need to do is configure a video conferencing on our HQ router. So first things first, voice-card0, we're going to type voice service DSP reservation 50%, and the remaining 50% will be used for voice, your T1 or E1. So DSP service DSP farm, and we're going to enable the DSP farm itself. So just to show you the config, this is what I've done so far right now. Alright, the next step is to configure SCCP. So we're going to say SCCP local gigabit 503 SCCP CCM and IP address of your call manager. Now obviously you're going to define both publisher and subscriber. Now in this case, the subscriber is going to be your primary, so that's why we use identifier 1 with a priority 1, where and a publisher should be the secondary. We're going to activate this. Alright, the next step is to create a skinny group. And in this group we're going to associate the first call manager, in this case priority 1, CCM1, the subscriber, and you're going to say priority 1. Now my subscriber is down, so I'm going to use CCM2 priority 1.